Okay, so this video is going to be looking at topic 9, and there's 3 lessons within topic 9. This video is going to be very short because it is all recap stuff. We have done it all before, and there is the revision guide there for you. So lesson 1 is looking at data and network security. You've got a Word document here that has the relevant pages from the revision guide in it, but obviously you can still get to your revision guide from the tab that says revision resources, and obviously there's other things on there which might be useful too. So starter is just some anagrams. Have a go at doing those. No cheating by using online anagram solvers, but if you are really struggling or want to check your answers, then by all means pop it into a online anagram solver. Task 1, nice and simple. You're just using your revision guide to pull out some key facts and answer the questions for task 1. Task 2, passwords and encryption. On the attached file, it does give you the formula to work out a brute force attack. So it's the number of characters that are possible to the power of password length. So, number of characters possible is going to be one of, I suppose, 4 things. However, with this example here, it's only going to be one of 3 things. So if all of the letters are lowercase, then we know that there are 26 lowercase letters in the English alphabet. So therefore that we know the number of characters is 26. And then to the power of password length, you're just counting how many characters are in this word. So obviously in password we've got 8 letters or 8 characters. So therefore this would be 26 to the power of 8. For this one, we've got lowercase letters, uppercase letters, and numbers. So we know we've got 26 lowercase letters, we've got 26 uppercase letters, which takes us up to 52 possible characters, and we've also got numbers, so that's 10 different numbers. So that would be obviously 0 up to and including 9. So in this case, it would be 62 to the power of however long this word is here, which is obviously 11. So that would be 62 to the power of 11. Okay, so the rest of it for this document, you can just use your revision guide to answer those quite simply. Lesson 2, again, really simple. Using the revision guide, you might need to go back to the one that's in revision resources, make some notes on compression, so obviously making things smaller. Lossless compression doesn't lose any data, so that you can return back to the original version, and lossy compression is where you get rid of some of the data but you tend to lose more file size, which makes it more effective. You've then got some maths to do, very simple maths, compression ratio. Just be careful that none of the questions change from kilobytes to bytes to megabytes, etc. Deeper understanding, if any of you finish, you could come back and have a look at this video, and there is a summary question here from an exam paper for you to have a go at the end. Lesson 3, there is a Socrative to do. This will be live all day really. I'll probably close it at 4 or 5 o'clock this evening, so make sure you have a go at doing that. I will put your results on Teams, so could you post your results on here at some point. You've then got some simple missing words to fill in. You've got some internet research to do. You've also got some research from your revision guide to do and make some notes, and a lot more notes underneath. You've then got some extension tasks if you finish, and a summary task, which is an exam paper question again. So it's just the way that this topic works. Unfortunately, there's not much sort of application. It's just a case of you need to know what a DOS attack is, you need to know what phishing is, etc. So unfortunately it's a bit of a dry lesson, but that's just the way it is, unfortunately. So looking forward to seeing you all back in school next week. Bless me. Yeah, take care. See you next week.